Feels like a Real Housewives confessional. My ultimate dream. My name is Jennifer Hamilton, and this is my 13th year of teaching visual art. No day is the same. It's always messy, and we're always going. Most of the times I look up at the clock and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's time to clean up. My grab and go paint supply area is a super important spot in my art room. Painting days can be really busy, so the grab and go area needs to be self-sufficient for all my learners. Not just the older kids that can pick out their paintbrush, but I need it so that even my kindergartners and young 5 friends can go and grab a cup and walk back to their table. So the mugs are always filled with water and the brushes are always in the cups ready to go. We use mugs in the art room because they are great for the environment. They have a handle, they're easy to carry for kids. I recommend using mugs because you can always get mugs donated to your art room or go to the Goodwill and find them for pretty cheap. But that grab and go painting supplies, one of my favorite parts of my art room. Set up areas where kids can grab and go art supplies, and it's always in the same place. It always looks the same. Nobody has to question what's happening over there. Everybody knows how to do it. So the goal for me is that by first grade, I don't have to give the instructions of grab a water cup, grab a paintbrush, grab a paper towel. Kids already know when I say go and grab paint supplies, they're already over there. They already know all the supplies they need to go and get. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the Art of Ed YouTube channel. That's it for me here. I gotta go. I got some setting up to do.